Again, another busload of migrants arrives in LA from Texas, and we are told that they are the sixth group to come here to Los Angeles within just the last few months over that battle over immigration.
Well, KCAL's Jeff Nguyen explains the group is now being helped by city workers and charitable groups.
Many of them are, very confused about the process. Immigration law is extremely complicated.
Lindsay Tuslowski is the executive director of the Immigrants Defenders Law Center, which has been connecting asylum-seeking migrants with lawyers after they've been transported to LA's Union Station from Texas. Governor Greg Abbott's office confirmed a bus arrived in LA on Thursday.
These folks are coming from Mexico, Venezuela, Peru, and Honduras. We have 15 men, 8 women, and 13 children.
Thursday's arrival comes after 5 others from Texas. Last month, Abbott said Texas's small border towns remain overwhelmed and overrun by thousands of people illegally crossing into Texas from Mexico because of President Biden's refusal to secure the border.
But it's really important that people understand that seeking asylum is legal in the United States. And in fact, most of the folks who are here today, who we've spoken to, followed all of the rules in terms of how they entered the United States.
LA Mayor Karen Bass's office has teamed up with a number of community groups called the LA Welcomes Collective. Among them, the LA Archdiocese. The city chartered a bus to bring the migrants from Union Station to St. Anthony Croatian Catholic Church in Chinatown.
This is one of the closest Catholic churches to Union Station, to downtown LA.
There are members of the County Public Department of Health to ensure that folks are screened.
Activists say the migrants are fleeing political persecution or violence. The majority of them have family or sponsors in Los Angeles.
The majority of them are eligible to immediately apply for work permits, so we're helping them to do that. And we're also going to help them with their asylum cases.
Immigration lawyers say the asylum process typically takes 3 to 4 years. Many of the people who arrived on Thursday have court dates in Los Angeles the next couple of months. In Chinatown, Jeff Nguyen, KCAL News.